So welcome back to the Boostly podcast. My name is Mark Simpson. Every day in 2021 is going to be a podcast for you. So make sure you're downloading, make sure you're subscribed, and most importantly, share this video or audio with a friend, a host, a community that you're part of to give them help and support. Now, if you're part of any Airbnb support groups, and this one today is for you. I've discovered a little hack thanks to my friend, Mr. Sean Rocky G. Go and check out Airbnb Automated, great channel. He recently touched upon this very briefly, but I wanted to show you exactly where to go to get it. Now, one of the big pain points when you're dealing with the likes of Booking.com, Vrbo, and Airbnb is trying to speak to a human is so hard. They are tied up in all of the automations and chatbots, and you can never speak to somebody who actually knows what they're talking about. But there is a way that you can speak to a human right now on Airbnb, and all you need to do is go to their help section. So you're going to go to the help page for hosting stays. You're going to scroll right to the bottom where it says contact us. Click on contact us. You'll have something that loads up, and what you'll see is pop up will be the bot. You're going to keep on clicking on no, it's something else all the way until a human will answer. You're going to keep on clicking no, it's something else, no, it's something else, no, it's something else. Keep on clicking that. And then what will happen is that an actual human will jump on and be able to give you some help and support. Then what you're going to do, fire into that part of the section all of the resolutions that you have or any issues that you may have if you've not been paid, if there's something wrong with a resolution that hasn't gone your way. That is the best way to go and get to speak to an actual human at Airbnb. So again, it's airbnb.com/help/hosting-stays. Now, one thing that I will say is that after the massive mess up that was 2020 with Airbnb, they have been investing a lot of money into customer support and customer care. I know the UK and Ireland team and Europe is ever expanding, and you can actually speak to people now. But that is a really cool shortcut way of getting in touch with somebody via the bot if you need their help. So go and follow that. If you've got any other hacks or anything you can do to get in touch with people at Airbnb, then please use the comments below. I pass this over to yourselves. So again, Sean, thank you very much for that tip. Do go check out Airbnb Automated. It's a fantastic YouTube channel for all things Airbnb. Sean's specialities is pricing, 100%. He's very, very good with that. But also as well in how to make your listing stand out. Go and check him out and tell him that you came from Boostly. Thank you so much for stopping by on this very short Daily Boost episode. These videos and these podcast episodes are here to give you the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and get more bookings. Thank you for stopping by. As always, let's be proactive. Don't be reactive. Let's go get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.